Hey everybody, Drew here, and you are in my shop with this beautiful 2009 Corolla. Hey folks, this is a public service announcement. I have said a million times, and I'll say it a million more, these cars are awesome. If you could get one of these on the cheap, you can put hundreds of thousands of miles on it. They require very little maintenance. They get great gas mileage. Most importantly, they're simple. They're not like all this new trash they're making today, but they're not perfect. They're darn close, but they're not perfect. So I want to tell you the quick story. I was putting a starter in this one, and all I did was bump this guy right here. I bumped this with my wrist, and it broke off and sprayed out hot coolant. I'll try to link the video in the description. The same thing happened with a RAV4. That's just a bad design, and the aftermarket realized that because I got this guy from my commercial AutoZone account. Shout out to them. Not the AutoZone where you like walk in and buy candy and soda and overpriced car parts. I'm talking like the commercial side. They delivered this to my shop, and it is aluminum. So here's what I want to tell you guys. If you have one of these cars and you're sending it for the long haul, like say you got like a 60-mile each way commute, you got one of these for like $8,000 and you're thinking, okay, it's only got 100K on it, I'm going to get this bad boy to 500K. You probably will. But if that snaps off on one of your 60-mile trips and you don't notice it until the car starts driving funny because the engine is seizing, well, there goes your 500K, at least without replacing the engine. If you're prepping one of these for the long haul, or if you just have one you really care about, if I was you, I would make this a Saturday morning project. Get that plastic piece of crap out of there. It broke. I bumped my wrist on it and it broke. Obviously, I mean, I'd have a mark on my wrist if I hit it hard, and I don't. So just a public service announcement. Get this Dorman. I'm going to show you the part number here real quick. And there it is. They call it a coolant tube. It even comes with a new line inside, which it may or may not need. In my case, I don't think it does. Just do this, guys. If you have one of these cars, it's one of the very few weak spots they have. Get it done. It was $25 again. This is the year 2026, and I have a commercial account, but for $25, problem solved. So anyways, I'm Drew. I want you guys to know this so you could get ahead of it before yours breaks. I'm super blessed that mine broke, when it was in the shop. Not mine, but, this car's broke when it was in here already. So, hopefully you learned something. If at any point this was educational, helpful, or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up right now. It helps this channel grow on YouTube. And if you want more content like this, we love the older stuff. 96 Camry with 62,000 miles on it. You'll see me working on these types of cars forever. Make sure you subscribe if you want to get in on that. Take care. God bless, guys. Bye.